a drink tonight. Yes, but can I take a rain check? We can't break our promise this time. I'm booked slowly today. My head's gonna explode.
Grit is usually unrelated or even inversely related to measures of talent. So far, the best idea I've heard about building grit in kids.
Our data show very clearly that there are many talented individuals who simply do not follow through on their commitments. In fact, in our data, grit is usually unrelated.
But they were told that they could stop at any time. Now those who kept their mouths shut
Goes like this: 163 people across 4 separate tests. Everyone wrote down their personal goal. Then half of them announced their commitment to this goal to the group and half didn't.
Truth be told, I never graduated from college, and this is the closest I've ever gotten to a college graduation. Today, I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's it. No big deal. Just 3 stories. The first story is about connecting the dots. I dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months, then stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months or so before I really quit.
The first story is about connecting the dots. I dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months, but then stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months or so before